Welcome to another bag tour. So today we've got this vintage Coach envelope clutch that was made in the original New York City factory, and I'm not 100% sure, but I would estimate that this is from the 80s based off of the style of the Creed, which you can see in the Etsy listing link below if you want to see a close-up of the Creed, since I usually can't pick it up on camera very well in these videos, but that would be my estimate. So as you can see, it's a nice black color, and this one's in actually really good condition considering the age. Looks like it wasn't used very much. I was actually really excited when I found this particular bag because I don't think the style's very common. I only found I think 2 other of this specific style on Etsy, and they were in different colors, so I think this is the only black one on the market right now. And oh, I should also mention I am not sure what the style number for this bag would be, so I don't have one to share with for that. I just called it the envelope clutch because that's the style of the bag, and I think that's what the other seller also referred to it as. But anyway, go ahead and give you a 360. So that's what the side looks like. And then here's the front again. Here's kind of an up close. It's got a snap closure here and a slip pocket here. And then I'll show you the inside. It's pretty clean inside. And then it's got, actually this one I can try to show you the Creed because it's got a fold-out pocket, and as you can see there's a serial number, and then it was made in New York City. So anyway, that's what it looks like. So I'll go ahead and link it below the Etsy listing in case you'd like to look at it further. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.